Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. We have this question on the board: s raised to the power 4 plus 64s equals to 0. We are asked to look for the zeros of the polynomial. I'm doing so many examples on zeros of a polynomial so that you can get yourself used to different forms or different approaches to solve for the zeros of a polynomial. After this video, I'll do 2 or 3 examples, and then we can finalize finalize our problems on zeros of a polynomial. So all you need to do for this problem, we have s raised to the power 4 plus 64x equals to 0. We'll try to factorize this. So when we factorize, we'll have x, and then x raised to the power of 3 plus 64 is equals to 0. Alright, so at this point we can say that x is equals to 0, and let's say or x cubed plus 64 is equal to 0. Now we've gotten one of the roots, which is this, equals to 0. Then we can say this again is s cubed plus 4 cubed equals to 0. So if you look at this, this is sum of 2 cubes. For the sum of 2 cubes, we have that if we have a cubed plus b cubed, we can factorize it as a plus b bracket a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, in our last video we did something on difference of 2 cubes, but this now is sum of 2 cubes. So this is how you factorize sum of two cubes. Okay, this is how you factorize sum of 2 cubes. So all we need to do now is to factorize this using this. So if we do that, we are going to get s. Remember, this is one of the roots. We are expected to get up to 4 roots. This is s plus 4 using what we have here. Remember, this is our a now, and this is our b. A squared will be s squared plus minus 4x ab, x and 4, that is 4x, plus b squared plus 4 squared, which will be 16. All right, so we are good. All equals to now 0. So this implies that s plus 4 is equals to 0, or s squared minus 4x plus 16 is equals to 0. All right, so this becomes s equals to minus 4. I'll take this here. So this is our second root. So we need to get 2 more roots from this quadratic equation. So we can also apply our formula method. So this will give me x is equals to minus b. This is our b. Minus b is 4 plus or minus square root of b squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 16, 64, all over 2a, all over 2. So this gives me 4 plus or minus square root of minus 48 all over 2. So simplifying this, you have x is equals to 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus square root of 48 short form is 4 root 3 divided by 2. Okay, let me just express it in full. Divided by 2. So this is 4 and this is 4 root 3. But because this is a negative root, you have to include your imaginary number I, because of it's a negative number in the square root. So it's a complex number. So this finally becomes x equals to 2 plus or minus 2 root 3i. So this is a complex conjugate. So you have 2 roots here, 2 plus 2 root 3i and 2 minus 2 root 3i. So this gives us our 4 roots. This is the first root equals to 0. This is the second root equals to minus 4. This is the third and fourth root. 2 plus 2, 2 plus or minus 2 root 3i. Please don't forget to always include your I when you are taking a negative root of a number. Okay, negative square root of a number. All right, so that will be all for this example. If you have any questions, you can drop them on the comment section. We will try as much as possible to attend to your questions. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. And as well, follow this page for more simplified ways to solve mathematics problems. Thanks for watching. Bye.